Okay, hello friends. We are going to see a question that has been asked in SIGMA 2020. Okay, students were asking how to solve these questions. Okay, I'm just uploading a video on this topic. Okay, what is the question that is given? The question that is given is, okay, they have given us sensitivity. They have given sensitivity of 50%. Specificity they have given, that is 90%, and the population, how much population they study, that is 1000 population they study, and with the disease prevalence of 20%, and they want us to calculate what is the positive predictive value. The question is, how much is the positive predictive value? Before going into that, okay, so first we will see what is sensitivity, some basics we will see. Sensitivity is, what is sensitivity? Sensitivity is ability of the test to identify true positives. Ability of the test to identify true positive. That means the whatever screening test is there, what is the ability to identify the number of new diseased people. Okay, that is true positives. What is specificity? This is sensitivity. This is sensitivity. What is specificity? Specificity means ability of the test to identify true negatives. So true negatives means non-diseased people. Non-diseased people. So are we clear? Some basics. Okay. Sensitivity means ability of the test to identify true positives. Specificity means ability of the test to identify true negatives. Okay. So now the question we have seen. Before going into the question, we will see some basics. Always remember, so we have two types of tests there. One is a screening test and a diagnostic test. So here we are trying to compare how good is the screening test when compared to the diagnostic test. So always screening test should always be taken, always should be taken in the y-axis, and diagnostic test always should be taken in the x-axis. Okay, so are we clear? Okay, fine. So these people, who is these people? Yes, these are diseased. These are diseased. Diagnostic test positive means diseased. Who are these? Yes, these are non-diseased. Non-diseased. This is the total population. So this is screening test total positives. This is total negatives. Now I will use four terms I will use here. Okay, you tell me, okay, what are they? Okay, so true positives, true negatives, false positives, and false negatives. Okay, so what is these people? Who are these people? Yes, who are these people? Yes, these are your screening test is also positive, and diagnostic test is also positive. So these people are true positives. True positives. Who are these people? Yes, screening test is also negative, diagnostic test is also negative. So these people are true negatives. These are true negatives. Okay, what about this one? Yes, these are false positives. These are false positives. These are false negatives. Okay, now what is the formula here? What is the formula we need to know? The formula for sensitivity is sensitivity is true positives by true positives plus false negative, that is diseased, multiplied by 100. Specificity is true negatives by true negatives plus false positives multiplied by 100, that is non-diseased. Okay, fine. So what is the formula for positive predictive value? Positive predictive value is true positive, denominator everything will be positive, true positives plus false positives multiplied by 100. Negative predictive value, true negatives by true negatives plus false negatives, that is all negatives multiplied by 100. So this is the formula. Okay, so this is the formula we need to remember. Sensitivity, the denominator is diseased. Specificity, the denominator is non-diseased. Okay, fine. Okay, so hope the formula is clear. Okay, now we go into the problem we will do. Okay, so problem, as I already said that. Okay, so a disease population of 1000, prevalence of how much percentage prevalence? Prevalence of 20%, Okay, prevalence of 20 percentage, sensitivity is 50 percentage, specificity is 90 percentage. Okay, now they are asking what is the positive predictive value. They are asking. There are two ways we can solve this problem. Okay, one is by Bayes theorem. Okay, another one is that using the formula what we know. Okay, so I will go with the second method, that is easier method for me. Okay, so we'll go with that. First we have to make a 2 by 2 table. We have to first we will make a table. Okay, so what we will do is, this is diagnostic test, positive, negative. This is screening test, positive and negative. Screening test, positive and negative. Okay, fine. Okay. So first they have given the total population. The total population is here. The total population is 1000. So out of the 1000 people, what is the disease prevalence? The disease prevalence is 20%. So the total population includes both diseased and non-diseased, right? So what is 20% of 1000? Yes, that is 200. What is the next? How much is the remaining? 1000 minus 200. Non-diseased population is 800. Okay, so are we clear? This is the basic stuff. First basic point. Okay, so 1000 is the total population. So out of this, 200 is the disease, that is based on the prevalence. We have taken this value. Okay, this is this 200, right? Fine. Now we have other things. From this we have to calculate. Okay, so for our understanding, I will write it here. This is disease. This is disease. This one is non-disease. Non-disease, right? Non-disease. Okay, fine. Now what we already know is, they have given us what is the sensitivity they have given. Sensitivity is, okay, they have given it as 50%. What is the formula for sensitivity? Okay, it's 50%. 50% is equal to true positives by true positives plus false negatives multiplied by 100. Now comes the question, what is this true positives plus false negatives? Yes, true positives plus false negatives is actually diseased. That is disease. Now we have to substitute it. That's it. So 50 is equal to true positives by 200 multiplied by 100. Okay, is it fine? Yes. So how much it will go? So true positives will be 50. 50 into 2, that is 100. True positives will be 100. Okay. True positives, that is true positives. It is 100. So you can put it here. So 100. Remaining is how much? Out of 200, 100 goes means? Yes, remaining is 100. Okay, fine. Next is specificity. Specificity is there. Specificity, we will see what is the formula. It is 90% they have given. What is the formula? Okay, 90 is equal to true negatives by true negatives plus false positives multiplied by 100. This is how much? What is this value? Yes, that is this non-disease, that is 800. So 90 is equal to true negatives by 800 multiplied by 100. So true negatives is equal to 720. It comes 720, right? So are you able to follow? True negatives is 720. So remaining is 720 here. How much is remaining? 800. 720 means it is 80. So this is 180. This is 820. Okay, fine. So now what is the formula for positive predictive value? Formula for positive predictive value is, okay, positive predictive value, true positives by true positives plus false positives multiplied by 100. So what will be the answer here? 100 by, okay, 100 plus 80 multiplied by 100. So 100 by 80, 180. multiplied by 100. So how much it comes? Okay, so 180 into 5, that is that comes around 55. So 10 is remaining, again 100, comes around approximately 55%, approximately. Okay, this is the value. So are you able to follow this? This is an easy question. Okay, there are two types of question that will be asked here. So this is the second one, little tougher question, but we can answer it. Okay, this is the better one. There is another formula, is there, Bayes theorem, but remembering the formula itself will be very difficult now. Okay, so that this is the easier one, because the other formulas we need to remember. Okay, hopefully you understood what we have discussed. Okay, okay, thank you.